Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, where we teach you to write, publish, and promote your fictional novel. And today we're going to be talking about what is a scene goal. What is a scene goal? The scene goal is an objective the main character wants to achieve right now, in this one scene, this one segment of the story. The scene goal is not the overall story goal, but the scene goal must affect the main plot in some way. For example, a teenage girl needs to go to a rock concert. Why? What's the motivation? Why is this scene goal important to achieving the overall story goal? Is she a young spy working for an intelligence group who wants her to get information for the lead guitarist? Was she invited to a concert by the popular girls at school whom she wants to be friends with? Or does she dream of meeting the lead singer who may secretly actually be her real father? The character believes that if she achieves this scene goal, she will be one step closer to overcoming the opposition and achieving her overall story goal. Here's another example. A young farmhand must enter a sword fighting competition. Why? What is his motivation? His overall story goal is to become a knight in the king's army so that he can help defeat the dragons that scorched his small town and killed his family. That is his overall story goal. The scene goal, entering the sword fighting competition, is just one step to achieving the main overarching story goal. The scene goal sets up a question for the reader at the beginning of the scene. Will the character achieve this scene goal? This scene question must be answered by the end of the scene. Will the farmhand be able to enter the sword competition, or will he not? Will the teenage girl find a way to go to that all-important rock concert, or will she not? And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us with our algorithms and ensures that you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you need help brainstorming your story, we have a 7-page booklet, Brainstorming Your Story Idea Worksheet, has fill-in-the-blank templates, examples, and lots of helpful tips to help you get your story started.